amiable welcome to everyone. This is your Allied Lectum channel to enhance your understanding. So, today's topic is about thrombopoiesis. The production of thrombocytes or platelets is known as thrombopoiesis. So, here we discuss about the thrombopoiesis and how this process is happening. Platelets. Platelets are small, non-nucleated, colorless cell fragments and its size ranges from 1 to 4 micrometer in diameter. It is 6 nanometer in thickness and contains lipids like phospholipids, cholesterol and glycolipids, then carbohydrates, proteins and glycoproteins. Lifespan is about 5 to 10 days and it is spherical or rod-shaped. Platelets are released into the circulation from bone marrow where they are formed by fragmentation from the megakaryocytes along with other blood cells like RBCs and WBCs. Normal count of platelets. It ranges between 2 lakh and 4 lakh per cubic millimeter of blood. Stages of development. Development of platelets in bone marrow occurs in various stages. That includes megakaryoblast, promegakaryocyte, megakaryocyte and platelet. This flowchart shows the developmental stages of thrombopoiesis. That is, from pluripotent stem cell, progenitor megakaryoblast cell is formed and by endoreduplication, promegakaryocyte is developed, then megakaryocyte and finally platelets. Control of thrombopoiesis. Thrombopoietin, which is the glycoprotein hormone, plays a major role in regulating platelet production and it is produced in liver and kidneys. Megakaryoblast. It is the earliest precursor of platelets in bone marrow. It is also a largest cell of about 20 to 30 micrometer in diameter and it has a large oval or indented nucleus, that is oval shaped nucleus and contains several nucleoli. The cytoplasm appears grayish blue and present only in small amount and contains no granules and it is scanty with occasional vacuoles. 2 to 5 nucleoli are present and it is indistinct. The nucleus to cytoplasm ratio is approximately 9:1. Promegakaryocyte. It is developed when megakaryoblast undergoes endoreduplication, that is replication of nuclear chromatin without division of cells. It is larger than the megakaryoblast with size of 25 to 45 microns. Its cytoplasm appears deep blue and contains fine acidophilic granules. The nucleus is not lobulated and sometimes it is partly lobulated. From this stage, endomitosis takes place, that is, only the nucleus divides while the cell enlarges without division. 1 or 2 indistinct nucleoli are present and granules are intensely basophilic. Megakaryocyte. This is the largest of all the blood cells with pleomorphic uninuclear structure and sometimes it is multilobular in pattern. As it is a multilobular, the number of nuclear lobes varies from 4 to 16, which depends upon the number of divisions it has undergone. The size ranges from 30 to 90 microns. The cytoplasm is usually abundant, as in the blood picture, and it appears light purple-blue filled with fine purple granules. It frequently shows irregular pseudopodal projections, which represents the transformation process of platelets. Nucleus is red-purple, coarse clumped chromatin with multilobulated pattern. The nucleus to cytoplasm ratio varies because in some cases nucleus may occupy most of the cell, but in some cases abundant cytoplasm will be present. Nucleoli varies from 0 to 1, but it is very indistinct. Each megakaryocyte may form up to 4000 platelets. Platelet. It is a small discoid, that is disc-shaped structure, and measures from 2 to 4 microns. These are formed by partitioning of cytoplasm of megakaryocyte into numerous structures that separates to form platelets. Here, the cytoplasm is pale blue, as in the blood picture, with pink-red acidophilic granules. Nucleus and nucleoli are not present. Functions of platelets. The major function of platelet is coagulating mechanism. So, as the image shows, when the blood vessel gets injured, the platelets, along with certain factors, form a blood clot to prevent blood loss. It also maintains the integrity of the blood vessels by plugging or closing the gaps in the endothelial lining. Ways to maintain platelets. Platelets can be maintained by intaking folate-rich foods like beef liver, peanuts, etc. Then foods rich in vitamins like B12, C, D and K. It is always better to avoid alcohol and some artificial sweeteners, which helps to maintain platelet count. Foods that increase platelets. Some foods that are rich in vitamin K includes leafy greens, broccoli and pumpkin, and iron-rich foods like dark chocolates, lentils, beef liver are recommended to increase the platelet count. Let me conclude this topic that leukopoiesis, which is the formation of white blood cells and contains two types. One is granulocytopoiesis, which is a formation of those cells which have granules in their cytoplasm, and they are neutrophil, eosinophil and basophil. The other one is agranulocytopoiesis, and these cells do not have granules in their cytoplasm, and that includes lymphocytes and monocytes. Then formation of thrombocytes or platelets is called thrombopoiesis, and platelets plays their major role in coagulation mechanism. Thank you.